Taoiseach, Joe Biden rolled up his sleeve. Mike Pence rolled up his sleeve. When will you be getting vaccinated on the telly?
Are you pitching for your show?
Well, we'd love to have you on.
You've done some great clinical work on your TV show. I've been watching.
Have you plans, though, to be vaccinated in public early on?
I have no issue with being
people
vaccinated in public. The only issue is that I want to be in sequence. I believe in following the guidance from those who are advising on immunisation, and that we'll do it in order.
Yeah, but Joe Biden very clearly said, I'm not jumping the line, as they say in the States, but I want to show people, I want to lead by example here. I mean, that would be a reasonable thing for you to do.
It may, and I have no issue with that, but the advice is that I think any available vaccine now should go to somebody who needs it to keep their, to stay alive, or who needs it to avoid serious illness. And given the fact that we have low volumes coming in at the end of this month, I think it should go to somebody actually who needs it more than I need it. Okay. That's the way I'd look at it.